Okay. So go to Google Play Store or the Apple Store and download Zulu Trade. So here is Zulu Trade. So you get to see the first page, which is your login page. However, after you've logged in, you get to see this dashboard. So click on this. You have quite a number of things to interact with. Here's your dashboard that shows you your equity, your balance, profit and loss total. Okay. It shows you your profit and loss in open and in closed trades. So here you don't need all these ones. So this is what you need. You need to place a trade. You can execute your market options here. So you click sell. It takes you to where you can protect, where you can choose the amount of lot size you want to use. The lot size is equivalent to the unit. So say I put 0.1, that will be equals to 10,000 units. Okay, so limit value is, you can see it is written there. This is the exact price at which you wish to close out an open position for a profit. So here is your take profit. So your take profit, it sets your take profit. You either input your take profit or the pips you want. But either way, whatever you input as your take profit, it will calculate it the equivalent pips. Then you can choose to use trailing stop or not, or you can set your stop loss in based on the pips. So whatever is your stop loss, calculate the pips from your entry point and input the value here. Also, you can see the type of order you want to execute. Either you want to execute the market order, which is buying at the spot, or you want to place an order. So if you want to place an order, you need to know how to use orders. Limit order, stop order, you need to know that. So if you want to use the limit order, that means you want to buy below the present price. So that means where you set will be below the present price. And but this is a sell order because I clicked on sell. So that means that if you want to do a sell limit, that means you are selling above the current price. And if you want to do a sell stop, that means you are selling below the current price. So this rate will be the one to guide you on how to set it. But you should by now have an understanding of that, because if you don't have an understanding of what limit order or stop order is, you might not be able to use it. Okay, here is the currency pairs. You can choose to remove some currency pairs from this place so that you have a currency pair. So for those that are complaining that the currency pairs are limited, please note that volatility, indices, cryptos, commodities are not permitted in this contest. Here you can study your positions that you've opened. That's the beauty of it. It shows you the date, shows you the profit. Then the orders. What are the orders that are pending? Okay, and here is your history. This is what I'm more concerned about. So I get to see the open trades that are running, I get to see the closed ones, and I get to see your profits. Okay, and then you can interact with the chart here. Here is the chart. So you can choose any of the currency. So depending on the kind of style of trading that you have, maybe you are a naked trader, or you're a type of trader that makes use of indicators. Presently on this my chart, I have a simple moving average and I have an exponential moving average, and it's indicated with the colors. The colors are there. So for those saying that they cannot change the color, the application uses different colors for you. So meaning that if you have a basic understanding of how these indicators work, the color should not be a problem because it's usually very explanatory. You can see the SMA here is brown, while the EMA is red. Okay, so and you can, here are your tools to interact with. You can draw an horizontal line, vertical line, rectangle. Now indicators are classified based on where they fall in. So a good understanding of how to use these indicators comes from your personal effort. So you have a bunch of indicators here. For those complaining about Fibonacci, personally, I use different platforms. I have a platform for my analysis. I have another platform for I have another platform where I place my trade. So the platform where I place my trade is usually very light. You don't get to see so much indicators on it, because what I just do there is to place the trade and I study my trade using the other charts. So you can use trading view, you can use MT4 for your analysis, but you are supposed to place your trade using Zulu app. So I would encourage you to download the app. As for the web version, I'll send another video to address that. So hopefully you'll be able to interact with it. And here is the economic calendar for those who who trade economic news. Any trading style is allowed. The rules are explicitly clear. You shouldn't hold a trade over the weekend. Not only that, you shouldn't open above. There is a maximum lot size per day, and there are maximum losses allowed throughout the whole of the trading. So I wish you the best in this trading.